In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for an overdraft in the Lloyds Bank app. Before we begin, a quick reminder of what an overdraft is. It's a way to borrow through your current account, letting you spend a little beyond your balance up to an agreed limit. It can be helpful for short-term cash flow, but it usually comes with interest and fees, so it's best used carefully. Make sure your app is up to date and you have a steady internet connection for a smooth experience. Start by opening the Lloyds Bank app and selecting the account you want an overdraft on. This should be the specific current account you plan to use. Double check you're in the right place, especially if you have multiple accounts, so the request applies to the correct one. On the account page, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Overdraft. This is where Lloyds keeps all the overdraft options and information. If you don't see Overdraft in the menu, it may mean your account type isn't eligible, or you might need to update the app and try again later. Next, choose Apply and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you step by step. You'll typically be asked about the overdraft amount you want and possibly some details about your circumstances, such as income and regular outgoings. You may also see information about the costs, like interest and how charges are calculated. Take your time to read the summary pages, check any representative examples, and make sure the limit you request is realistic for your needs. Lloyds may run a credit check or an affordability assessment, which can influence the decision and the limit offered. When you're happy with everything, confirm the application in the app. You may get an instant decision if a decision isn't available right away. That's normal too. Sometimes it takes a little longer and you'll be notified once it's complete. Once approved, your overdraft limit will be confirmed and ready to use. You'll see the arranged limit displayed alongside your account balance in the app. Remember, you're only charged when you actually use the overdraft, and staying within your agreed limit helps you avoid additional fees. If you ever want to reduce or remove the overdraft in the future, you can usually manage that from the same overdraft section. That's all there is to it. Open the app, select your account, head to the three-dot menu to find Overdraft, tap Apply, follow the prompts, and once approved, your limit is good to go. Borrow responsibly and always review the details shown in the app so you're clear on costs and terms before you proceed.